Good morning. Welcome back to Bee's Way. Today on the channel we are going to be bringing you a very exciting workout. It's going to be an ab workout and I will put the timestamp here because first up we have got a little what I eat in a day. Basically it's a weekend day for me today and I thought it'd be a really good idea to bring you along on what this vegan chica eats on a weekend. No porridge today. Usually it's the rolled oats for me with the strawberries, the frozen berries. Today I noticed that I had some hash browns in the freezer along with some vegan cheese, some boar-free bacon as we like to say, and I've got some tomatoes and spinach. No bread unfortunately, so I think we might switch that up for some rice with a few spices. So this is what I've decided to have. So I've got some tomatoes here, got some coffee, boar-free bacon, hash browns, and then I'll do like a little spinach, corn and peas kind of vegetable combo, and then some chickpeas here for the brine. I'm gonna make some aioli and got some rice and beans there, and also we'll add some chips.
Hold me only. We might have nothing, but you feel like home. We might have nothing, but we're not alone. In winter, summer, take all my seasons, you're my rain and snow. All I know is when you're close, I forget to breathe. Can you see what you've done to me? Oh my, it's crazy.
You know it keeps me up at night. I don't know why. These circles spin around my mind, feel so unkind. Yeah, and I wanna back in my arms again. Wanna back in my arms. Wanna take it back to the start again, when the world was young. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes. Through the fire, through the rain, whatever it takes.
We are over halfway. Keep going, keep your core strong.
I don't listen, but I heard a voice so clearly calling. Said let love
Push through, guys. You're doing really well at this point of the time in the workout. I like to think about what I'm going to do if I won the lotto. Great distraction. You won't even notice the pain.
start again, when the world was young.
It's rest time. Take 30 seconds to rest, stretch out your core and have a drink if you want one.
Through the fire, through the rain, whatever it takes.
apart, yeah. Cause I'm strong and I love the skin I'm in. Every shape, every inch, no doubt there's power deep within, yeah. Beauty ain't a color, ain't a number, ain't an age, nah. Beauty comes in every size and every shade, yeah. I'm perfect just the way I'm made, yeah. Whoa, whoa, I'ma be my best self. I'm loving who I be, yeah. I'ma be my best self. There's no one else like me, yeah. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My best self, loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. Cause I'm enough, yeah. Beauty ain't a waistline, ain't a smile, ain't a face. Beauty is holding my head up with grace. And I thank God for the way I made it. Whoa, whoa, I'ma be my best self, my best self. I'm loving who I be, yeah. I'ma be my best self, my best self. There's no one else like me, yeah. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My I'ma be my best self. 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 My best self. I'm loving who I be. I'ma be my best self. My best self. There's no one else like me. Yeah. Self-love, self-help, self-care, self-care, self-healing, self-worth, self-aware. My best self. My best self. Loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be loving every part of me. I'ma be my best self. I'ma be my best self.
No, so can you give me a tempo that's like Let's go. Yeah, that's alright.
I like what you say. Let's go to Bombay. Get drunk on the plane. La 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 la. I love your T-shirt. You wanna Converse? Show me where it hurts. La 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 la. We can get high in the hotel lobby. Shoot me like a gun, watch me go bang bang. I can hook it up with a good time, honey. Let me get the phone up. Yeah. Let's
baby. And now I wanna follow all her rules. You know she got me coming back again. I lose my mind and phone a friend. I know this is the end. She got me saying, oh my, oh my, my. Wanna see you underneath the city lights.
Hey guys, thank you so much for doing the ab challenge. I hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked that one, please give my video a thumbs up. I really appreciate it, and if you did 1 or 2 rounds of that ab workout, that's still awesome because it's an intense couple of 1.5 minutes per abs. So good job guys, and if you're following along, next up I'll probably see you at lunchtime.
Beautiful day, I finally figured the recipe. A bit of giving and taking, life it is what you make it. Nothing petty can get to me. A little bit of slow, a little bit of go, a little bit of high, a little bit of low. Ooh, live for the moment. Ooh, live for the time. Ooh, live for the moment. Now you get yours and I'll get mine. I wanna sing it back.
This meal was absolutely delicious. It was really filling, really high in protein as well, with your black beans, kidney beans and tofu. This is the end of the video and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!